Welcome. Today we're unboxing a Dell monitor, a P2425H. Excited to take a look and see what it has to offer. So we're going to open it up now and take a look. So let's talk about a few things that I like about this monitor. I think anytime that you're looking for a monitor, you need to decide what it is that you want and what your needs are. Like if you're a high-end designer, you need high resolution. If you're doing 3D work, whatever it is. This is kind of a middle of the road monitor. The display is gonna be a resolution of 1080p, which is good for most people and most kind of document working standard office worker. But a few things that I really like about this monitor that I think is pretty great is one, it's a small bezel, so it looks, you can see most of the screen. But when I go and as a tech, when I work on different monitors, what I love is when they're very easily adjustable. And this one can go 180 degrees, 90 in each direction, which is great because then you can get to all of the I/O very easily. So you can plug in if you're gonna do HDMI or DisplayPort. And if you're someone who goes and you work off-site, on-site, you're moving around with a monitor, it's a small one that's portable and it's easy to get to the cables to unplug, plug in if you're going somewhere else to work, if you're on the go, that type of a thing. And even if you have some type of mount like at your desk, it's VESA certified. It is gonna be compatible with all of those mounts as well. A lot of 1080p's in the office that you get, they're gonna be low refresh rate. And for me, I kind of can notice that. Some people don't notice that at all. I notice when it's a low refresh rate. And this monitor comes with a 100 hertz refresh rate. So it's a little easier on the eyes. I don't get as much fatigue as I'm looking at the screen. And for some folks who might use it even for some low-end gaming or some low video work type things for 1080p, at least you have a decent refresh rate. It'll use the Dell Display Manager, so it's easy to control and manage even from like a larger IT perspective. You can control all of them. You can have the settings in one place for all of your Dell products. It does have a USB 3 connection, and it has 4 USB ports for USB-A going out. And this is great. This is something that you can use for expandability. You can hook up webcams, you can hook up mice and keyboard, especially maybe if you're going back and forth from that office to home. You can have one plug to do all those things. This version of the monitor doesn't carry a lot of power. It's just 15 watts, so it will charge, say, your cell phone and other items, but it's not enough to, say, charge your laptop in the place of like a docking station or your AC adapter. It does DisplayPort as well as HDMI, and it also has an old VGA connection for some of you that might have an older hookup or older setup. It at least supports it. I'm glad it's there for those moments when you might need it. Overall, I think it's a great product. It's a great monitor, something most offices would be extremely happy with, but you have to know your needs when you're purchasing a monitor. Does this fit for you? Is it the right fit? It's well made. It's going to be a great product. Does it work for your needs? If you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more about different products and tech, hit like or subscribe. We'd love for you to see what we have available.